Okay friends, for today's our vlog, I'm gonna show you how I batching juice. Today is September 29, 2023. Time check is about 5:45 p.m. So I already washed all of this, so I'm gonna juice this one. We have 2 bunches of celery, kale, we have parsley, 2 bunch of parsley. We have also a broccoli, we have 3 cucumber, we have 4 oranges, and we have also 4 lemon to balance the alkaline, and we have also 6 green apple. So this is our juice for whole week, from Friday, and it will be finished on Friday. So this is our green juice. So smells good, the lemon. It's organic lemon. Everything is organic. I think we have $20 in this vegetable and fruit. Or $24. This will be last for Friday. So tomorrow is Saturday, and then Friday will be finished. And let's see. My honey and I will drink this juice. For me, my experience, this juice is very good. So the reason I put the lemon is to balance the taste, and also the orange also, because this is everything is rich in alkaline. Okay, a little bit the lemon is acidic, so balance everything. So very delicious. This is pure juice, and all the crops I'm gonna the pulps that I'm gonna use, this I'm gonna use for crackers. No waste food. Even the peel of the vegetable that I remove from the core, I put that in my garden, so there is no waste in this food. So about, again, let's say $25. Okay, so it's not bad because these are all organic. We bought this in the organic store. Smells good. So I let them to drain first because I already washed this one. So I'm gonna put this in our juicer. Actually, I'm not using the juicer. I have my mother-in-law Vitamix, my husband. So that's what I'm gonna use. It works good. So God willing, we're gonna have a juicer soon. It's good to drink the juice. So that's it.